Southwest Texas Methodist Hospital was the first facility in the South Texas Medical Center. They started construction in the late 50s. It opened in 1963, and it grew to be the premier healthcare provider in this area. And in December 1994, John Hornbeek was the president and CEO of Methodist Hospital at the time. And studies showed them that a standalone hospital would not survive in changing healthcare environment of reimbursement. Health insurance companies were going to require that you have multiple geographic locations to serve the community. So John Hornbeek held a private meeting in his home on a Saturday morning to talk about the next option. And most people were incredulous about the suggestion that we have a for-profit partner. But board members will tell you now it's the best decision they ever made for our community, because HCA is a premier healthcare provider in our country, and our board's responsibility is to ensure that quality healthcare was available to all members of our community, regardless of their ability to pay. And so it is a 50-50 partnership for that reason. And the board members who were at Methodist Hospital transitioned over to become the board of Methodist Healthcare Ministries. And they came with that passion for providing services to the community. To develop the mission statement, they started with the serving humanity to honor God. At the time, actually, it was serving man to honor God. And that is still on the cornerstone at Methodist Hospital. That was always their mission. And so they knew that they wanted to keep the same statement, but they had to define what that meant for them as a new organization. And so after many conversations, they determined that they wanted to do something that no one else could do or would do. And who would that serve? So that's how we came about serving the underserved, uninsured people in South Texas, because no one else could or would do that. Now, did they ever imagine that we would be at the level we are now of clients served or the money spent to provide services? No way could they have imagined that. And each one of them would tell you that God has been gracious to us and provided to us to allow us to fulfill this mission.